Hello, I'm Dr. Priscilla with another lesson for Essential English. Today, we're going to focus on vocabulary words that begin with the letter P. It will have the sound of. As you listen to these words, I want you to practice these words frequently so that you can build up the strength and the muscle to enunciate the words clearly. As you practice with these vocabulary words daily, you'll begin to use these words. And in fact, I think you will start to hear other people use these words as well. Are you ready? We're going to dive in. Remember, take notes if you want, and be sure that you are pronouncing the words correctly. Patience. Pronunciation, patience. Patience. Definition: the capacity to accept or tolerate delay, trouble, or suffering without getting angry or upset. Example sentence: despite the long wait, Sarah showed remarkable patience while waiting for the bus. Persistence. Pronunciation, persistence. Persistence. Definition: firm or obstinate continuance in a course of action in spite of difficulty or opposition. Example sentence: with sheer persistence, he finally mastered the difficult piano piece. Passion. Pronunciation, passion. Passion. Definition: strong and barely controllable emotion. Example sentence: her passion for photography is evident in the stunning landscapes she captures. Purpose. Pronunciation, purpose. Purpose. Definition: the reason for which something is done or created, or for which something exists. Example sentence: each step he took was with a clear purpose in mind. Precision. Pronunciation, precision. Precision. Definition: the quality, condition, or fact of being exact and accurate. Example sentence: the surgeon's precision during the surgery saved the patient's life. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed these 5 vocabulary words, then I know that you will be able to use these words in a very short period of time. Again, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss a valuable lesson the next time I post. Bye for now.